In this video, we are going to solve inequation. What are inequation? Inequation are symbols like this. This means greater than, this is greater or equals to, this is less than, this is less than or equals to. The trick about performing inequation solving is that you do as though they are equal sign. The only time you change the symbol, for example, greater, and you change it to less than, is when you multiply or divide by a negative number. Similarly, if you have less than or equals to, you only change the symbol to greater or equals to when you multiply or divide by a negative number. Without further ado, let's do 3 examples and you will understand what I mean. First, you have 5x plus 3 is greater than 2x plus 1. The first step you do, you're going to expand the second expression. So you give 5x plus 3 is greater than 2x plus 2. That's the first step. The next step you're going to do as a normal algebra, as though you treat this as an equal sign, you're going to minus 2x on both sides. When you minus 2x, what's left on the left hand side is going to be 3x plus 3, and on the right hand side it's going to be 2 because 2x minus 2x is going to cancel out. Next, you're going to get rid of this 3, you minus 3 on both sides. So you're going to get 3x is greater than negative 1. Minus 3 plus 2 is going to be negative 1. And the last step, you're going to divide by 3 on both sides. And the answer is going to be x is greater than minus 1/3. So technically, you are doing the equation as though they are equal rather than an inequation. Okay? The only time you change, I repeat again, the symbol, the inequation, is when you divide or multiply by a negative number. So we shall look at the second example. You have 2x minus 5 is less than 6x plus 9. Again, you need to get rid of this 6x, you minus 6x on both sides. So when you minus them, 2x minus 6x, what you left is going to be minus 4x minus 5 is less than 9, because 6x minus 6x will cancel out. Next, you are going to get rid of negative 5, you're going to plus 5 on both sides. So what you get is negative 4x is less than 14, because 5 minus 5 is going to cancel out. Last but not least, you're going to divide by negative 4. Remember, when I say you divide by a negative 4, or means you divide by a negative number, you have to change the symbol. So this symbol is now going to be greater than, and minus 4 divided by minus 4 is going to cancel out. So you are left with x is greater than minus 14 over 4, or you simplify them, x is greater than negative 7 over 2. So, okay, last but not least, we're going to do a quadratic. A quadratic is slightly different. So what you do, you need to factorize x squared minus 3x minus 4. If you factorize them correctly, it's going to be x minus 4, x plus 1 is greater than 0. So what you do, you know the solution is going to be the reverse. So it's going to be plus 4 and negative 1. So you draw a quadratic graph, okay? So it's going to be 4 and negative 1. A quadratic graph is a U shape, okay? And the roots are minus 1 and 4. So you need to find which part of the graph that is greater than 0. This part is greater than 0 and this part is greater than 0. So your solution is going to be x. From here onward, it will be less than negative 1, or this side onward, x is greater than 4. So that is how you solve inequation. Hope you learned something today, and see you in the next one.